In front of me is VIVO V30 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into tab menu and look for mini screen mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to resize your screen, click at the top left corner and drag it. If you want to go back to the standard size one, click at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you